Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 15 of marching through my minis. I am bringing $8 like I do every day. Today's day 15. Put my little sticky note to the side. And I am making such great progress going through my stash of minis. I love it. So I have my $8 in cash, and this is my $8 in prop coins that represents that cash. And I will put those to the side for a second, and I will put my $8 into my bank. And then I will get my little dice tower all ready to go. So we're going to start at number 4. I have my D3 die, so I'm going to roll that. Whatever number it is how many prop coins I put down. And we are starting at the Paperclips. So here we go. 1. 2. Okay. Can I get 3? Nope. But I can get 2. So happy Saturday, everybody. I hope you have a fun weekend planned. I am going to do my best to get caught up on orders and work on a little bit of my new stuff that I want to bring out. I am postponing my February launch. This is not February. Oh my goodness. Okay. 1 is getting 3. I am postponing my March launch because we are in March, hence all the green, until April 2nd. And I just need time to get caught up on my orders. I don't want to cause myself more stress by adding more product and just getting more and more behind. I am only one person, so I'm doing the best I can, but I have some really great ideas that I really just want to share with everybody like immediately, but it doesn't make sense to do that because then I'm not going to be able to fulfill that for a while. So I figured let myself get caught up and go from there. But I do have new dice launching on April 2nd. I do have 2 box challenge, or not 2 box challenges. One possibly a box. I haven't decided if I'm making it a box challenge or not. I don't know if that got too many, but we're just going to go with it. One of my binders for my adventures and savings, and potentially the other one is a box challenge. I haven't 100% figured out if that's what I'm going to do. I do like box challenges a lot, so I haven't done one in a while, so I'm kind of leaning towards that, but we'll see. Time will tell. All right, I have 2 cards left, and 1 is going to go to 2, 1 is going to go to 3, and we will leave the paperclip on 4. Perfect. So hopefully I mentioned it in my live the other night, but I just thought since it's the 15th and I was going to do a launch around the 15th or 19th, I am pushing that back just for my sanity and for my customers who have already purchased something. I want to make sure that they get what they want in a timely fashion, because it's already not a timely fashion and I'm feeling horribly guilty about that. So I need to work on that as well. Oh my goodness, one got $1.75. Holy cow. Oh, it's the capybaras from the Humble Budgeter. All right, so let's do 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's the dollar, and then we can do 3 more circles. 1, 2, and 3. So cute. And she has such a cute membership on Ko-fi. If you should totally go check it out. She has so many cute things. So many cute things. Okay, as does everybody. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have $1.25 going into number 2. Like I said, I believe this is from Susan at Women Watch Budget. So we can do 25, 50, 75, $1.25. And that leaves 75 cents. And then this one will save us $6. Okay, number 3. What do we, oh, it got a 50. So number 3 got $1. And this is from Hey K Budgets. Pineapple on pizza. Pizza's saying no. Pineapple's saying I love you. I say yes. I'm a fan. But I do have to say, I think it has to be with barbecue sauce for the sauce. Like barbecue chicken pizza with the pineapple is so good. So cute. Here. And then number 4. Ooh, number 4 got one of the 50 cents. So 50, 25, 25. We have $1.25 in number 4. Oh my goodness gracious. We just finished budgeting with Tiffany 26. So we got $1.25. That's amazing. I will color all these in and be right back. Perfect. Well, out of the lines, but perfect. We finished it. We used up all our change. Let's get an extra. Let's go from the back. What do we got here? Jamie RM budgets. This will save us $4. $4 in number 4. Okay, so we don't have anything to add to it. So we'll put that in there for next time. So number 5 looks like it got 75 cents. And it needed 50. Oh my goodness. Yay for finishes. This one is from DIY Budget on Etsy or Diva's Budgeting on YouTube. Super cute little pumpkin drink. So we finished one for $3 and $5. So we have 25 cents. We can put in a new one. Just reaching in the back. I'm trying not to look. I'm trying not to be biased. I'm just picking one. Oh, the dramatic panda squad goals. Hashtag squad goals. Tell me that's not adorable. Coco thinks it's so adorable. My cutting, however, is not adorable. All right, so we have 25 cents to go in here. Let's do, what color should we do? Should we do yellow for the lightning bolts? I have like a pile of markers to my right. And Jenny from the Dramatic Panda has so many cute challenges too. So many cute things out there. People are so creative. All right, so number 5 is good. So number 6 got $1. Oh my gosh, we only needed 50 cents. Yes, for finishing. This one, adorable one, is from Hannah at Prop Budgets. If you love books, you might love her new game that she just came out with. Go check out her video where she explains it. It is so clever. All right, so we finished that one for $6. So I had $1, right? And I put 2 in there. I think this is for the next one. I hope so. Otherwise, editing you has a lot of notes to put on the screen. Okay. I think I've done this one before. Look at it. It's so good. I got it twice. The Cash and Coin Crew, we're going to do 2 little squares. And let's do green. No, let's do purpley pink. 1 and 2. I think you can see that. I can see that. Hopefully that's enough. Hopefully I did that correct. I got all excited about finishing. Hey, Jake. Hey, buddy. I'm almost done, okay? I love you. You're a good boy. Okay, number 7. Oh my gosh, we finished one. This was only for $1, but I love it. I finished it. We have another $1 going to our savings. So let's do it. So that was 50 cents. Oh my gosh, why am I not paying attention? That was Jake's snuck up on me and got me distracted. I'm pretty sure that finished that one. So let's get a new one. Let's do this one from the traditional dollar. So we are going to do nothing because we have nothing to put into it. So I'll put this in here and we'll do that next time. All right. So number 8 got 50 cents. I'm paying attention. 8 got 50 cents. and we needed 50 cents. So that's amazing. So I'm going to do red for the last two. This one saved $4 from Financial Dreams with Christine. So that finished these two. Let's get a new one that we are not going to be able to put money towards. So I need little ones. I'm looking for like a little bit. There's, oh, we already did. No. Well, this is Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. This will save us $2. Look at how cute that is. So we'll stick this one in here. And let's see how many we finished. Goodness gracious. So let's get our prop coins. No matter what I do, the 50 cents like to cling to each other. So let's put these in here. All right, and then let's go to our bank. And let's see what we need. Did we finish? Holy cannoli. We finished 5. Wow. All right. Okay. So we have 4 and 1 is 5. And 6 is 11. And 3 is 14. And 5 is 19. I think that's the most we've saved in March so far. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Woo! Nice. That makes me happy. So let's go back here to our completed. So this just means the completed money, all the challenges I've completed, the money goes in here. Woo. So I am not using the randomizer that Brittany has in here, but it was too cute not to at least write all over it and use it for what I needed. And we are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 challenges to our envelope and just stick it in there. That felt really good. Not gonna lie, that felt really, really good. All right, day 15. Day 15 was awesome. I hope you come back tomorrow for day 16. And I'm excited. I'm gonna bring $8 more and see. We probably won't finish any because we just finished a bunch, but it'll still be fun, I'm sure. So thank you guys so much for hanging out. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.